For the first time, Google has begun rolling out passkeys, the easiest and most secure way to sign into apps and websites, and a major step toward a passwordless future. Passkeys are a new way to sign into apps and websites. They are both easier to use and more secure than passwords, so users no longer need to rely on the names of pets, birthdays, or the infamous password 123. Instead, passkeys let users sign into apps and sites the same way they unlock their devices, with a fingerprint, a face scan, or a screen lock pin. And unlike passwords, passkeys are resistant to online attacks like phishing, making them more secure than things like SMS one-time codes. Google has begun rolling out support for passkeys across Google accounts on all major platforms. There will be an additional option that people can use to sign in alongside passwords, two-step verification, etc.